What's up, subscribers? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I want to talk about the recent movement that we've seen in Ideanomics stock and talk about whether or not I've been buying the dip. But first, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe so that you get notifications about our future videos talking about the stock market and personal finances. And while you're down there, if you haven't already, be sure to check out the links in the description to get your free shares of stock from Webull whenever you open and fund your account, as well as $10 of free Bitcoin from Coinbase whenever you open your account and make your first $100 purchase of cryptocurrency. So grab a cup of coffee or your favorite beverage of choice, and let's jump into it. There's no way to sugarcoat this as a shareholder of Ideanomics. It's been rough over the past month or so after Ideanomics reached its peak at just over $5.40 per share. After that, Ideanomics absolutely crashed, falling under $3 per share as part of the broader tech sell-off. But after that sell-off, Ideanomics has started to recover with the rest of the tech sector on news of the recently passed stimulus package. And while they still are far off from where they were trading at 1 month ago, Ideanomics has seen significant recovery, closing out the trading week at $3.36 per share. With this movement likely largely stemming from the recently passed stimulus package, as well as news that Ideanomics has made an investment in Italian electric motorcycle company Energetica. An investment that gives Ideanomics a 20% stake for the sum of $13.2 million. For those of you who have been following my channel for a while, you know that I absolutely love Ideanomics for the long term, and I've been talking about them here on my channel since around December. Thankfully, I did sell half of my shares whenever Ideanomics was trading around $5 per share in order to recoup my initial principal investment. During the NASDAQ correction that took place a couple weeks ago, I unfortunately was unable to buy back shares of Ideanomics because I was too busy focused on adding shares to some of my other positions like ChargePoint. But now this past week, I was able to pick up a few more shares of Ideanomics at around $3.20 per share. With the recently passed stimulus package and Ideanomics planning to release their Q4 earnings report at the end of this month on March 31st, I can definitely see Ideanomics share price reaching back to that $5 range over the next few weeks. With more liquidity entering the market from the stimulus package, and Ideanomics CEO Alf Poor previously preluding that they will be reporting excellent earnings as well as guidance for 2021, I believe that Ideanomics is in an excellent position to see a huge run after they report earnings. But obviously this is only my opinion. I have no idea what's actually going to happen here in the short term. Although I do expect the bull run to continue here in the short term now that the new stimulus package has been passed, with ongoing concerns about inflation and what this could potentially mean for bond rates, there definitely will continue to be a risk that another rotation out of tech may occur into more conservative and safer investments. But regardless of what happens in the short term over the next few months, for the long term, I do continue to remain extremely bullish about Ideanomics. But with that said, if my prediction is right and Ideanomics share price runs up over the next few weeks on news of the stimulus package and their upcoming earnings report, I definitely will consider selling some of my shares again as a swing trade. What are your thoughts about Ideanomics? Are you invested in Ideanomics? Are you considering investing in IDEX? Where do you think the share price is going over the short term and the long term? Be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. And while you're down there, if there are any other stocks or topics that you would like me to talk about in a future video, please feel free to comment that down below as well. As a reminder, this video is for entertainment purposes only. I am not a certified financial planner. I'm a resident physician with an interest in personal finances and investing. Please make sure you're doing your own research before you make any financial decisions. And please be sure to smash that like button and click on the subscribe button for the YouTube algorithm and to help support my channel. Thanks everyone. Have a great day.